Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the row level context in Power BI, so let's start. So I've got this Power BI file open here with me. I've also left link to this file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. I've created a basic matrix which gives me the year and the sales amount, and then it breaks it down into quarter and months, and then gives me the corresponding sales amount. So let's go here and quickly create a new measure. So let's just go here and we'll create a row context measure. So I've got some code. So all it does is that it evaluates for each row in the dim date table. It goes into the internet sales table and gets the corresponding sales amount. So let me hit enter now, and I'll just drag it in to tell you what it means. So now if I pull it here, it doesn't do anything. It's the same as the amount in the sales amount column. It's not giving me the maximum sales amount for 2011 or 2012 or anything like that. And why is that happening? So when you look at how it is getting evaluated for 2011, what it will do is, so for 2011 what it will do is it will go into the dim date table and find all the rows where the year is 2011, and then go to the fact internet sales table and filter out for all the rows where the year is 2011 and sum it up. Similarly for quarter one, what it does is, for all rows, it will find all the rows in the dim date table which has year as 2011 and the quarter as quarter one, and then it will evaluate. Similarly for January, it will go 2011 January, and then it will sum up all the rows in the fact internet sales table. So the value changes as the row context is changing. So this is pretty much it. So the values, how the values are getting calculated is they've got a row level context, and so for each row the measure is getting recalculated. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topic. Cheers, bye.